This is going to be the 6th video for the top print-on-demand niche research ideas. I'm going to tell you some fresh evergreen ideas for your t-shirt designs. Hey, how's it going? My name is RJ Martinez, and I'm here with another top print-on-demand niche research list. There's a lot of people out there that want fresh ideas so they can start printing and shipping to their customers right away, or even upload to these print-on-demand websites. And these niches will do just that. Let's be honest, everyone wants a piece of the pie with print-on-demand. But sometimes it can be tough finding an idea and knowing if it will work or not. And this is why I'm here, because I have all the research done for you. And if you would like more research ideas, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or any insights on anything, please comment down below. All right, so the next niche is going to be Hispanic Heritage Month. Now, a lot of like Mexico shirts are selling like crazy right now. This is an evergreen niche, okay? But during this time, like it will go crazy, okay? The sales will spike at this point right here. So it'll go like this and go up, okay? That's what I mean by a spike. But something to think about with this niche right here, there's not a lot of competition, but there's a lot of low BSRs right now that are crushing it inside of this niche, okay? But now you want to think about like, okay, it's a trend, right? And maybe it's a little bit too late for this trend, but it's not, because there's an evergreen niche inside of this, right? Who are you targeting with this niche, right? A lot of very proud Hispanic people, okay? And there's like the Mexican, I have a lot of Mexican shirts personally myself that are taking off and doing really well. And I can see someone like you creating a design like this for this niche and doing really well every single month, okay? So it's an evergreen niche, but around this time of year, it's gonna spike, okay? There's a lot of search volume going on right now in this niche, and definitely take advantage of it. All right, niche number 2 is going to be Breast Cancer Awareness Month, right? It's in October, okay? You're thinking pink ribbon, okay? This niche, it does well every single month, right? But during October, it spikes up like crazy, okay? So if you can figure out a phrase or something related to breast cancer awareness, any type of motivational phrase, it's a very popular niche, and you can definitely do some damage inside of that niche if you design for it correctly. Think of groups of people, okay, buying these type of shirts. Support squad, okay? There's a t-shirt design support squad, okay? This is very, very powerful because you're thinking about multiple people buying one shirt, okay? So it's the uncle, the dad, the mom, the sister, the cousin, they're all gonna be buying this shirt, right? People buying them by 5s, people buying them by 3s. So the order values, you know, instead of selling one shirt, you're gonna be selling 3 or 4. So think about different types of like, so squads or something like that, okay? A group, a team, right? Think about it that way. Then next would be like a breast cancer awareness, like a flag or something like that, okay? Every single niche, if you can relate like the American flag to the niche or any type of flag to the niche, it does really, really well, okay? That just something, just every single niche does well like that. Now, quotes in this niche are very, very powerful, okay? Of course, you want to double check trademarks, copyright, all that stuff, but quotes in this niche are very, very powerful, something that's very meaningful to a person. You can definitely create sales, okay? So it's a very awesome niche, okay? You want to be careful and how you design for this. You don't want to get in trouble in any way, but it's an awareness month, okay? So think about quotes, stuff like that, and everything that I talked about for this niche, you can definitely create a top seller. All right, so the next niche is gonna be Chinese New Year, Year of the Tiger 2022, okay? This is a very, very popular niche for the Chinese New Year, right? Right now is the time to get the designs up. It starts February 1st. Now this is more of a trending because you can think about, so Year of the Tiger, you want to think about if you can design for it like an evergreen without putting 2022 on it. If there's a way that you can go around it and create something that is a evergreen niche, that would be the idea right there, because you don't want to create a design. It does really well. It brings in, you know, $200, $300, and then next year it doesn't do nothing. So think about it. Okay, when you approach any of these trending holidays, you want to think about, okay, how can you create something that's going to be like an evergreen design? Red is a popular color when it comes to this niche. Okay, so think about it that way. What can you do to create something that will be evergreen, and you don't have to put 2022 because it's only going to be good for that year, and then it's just going to die down. The Year of the Tiger, you're seeing a lot of stuff where they're putting the actual year on the actual design, try to think about where you can avoid that right there, okay? Now this seems to be a trending design. The next niche is gonna be the FUCKYOU. Okay, I spelled it out right there. But it's just a funny saying for like the yoga niche, it seems like. The retro color scheme is doing really well. You have them doing like the meditation stance, right? And the design, I'm not sure if you guys see that. It's a very, very popular saying right now, okay? You wanna make sure that you're not putting, if you're uploading it to Merch by Amazon, you wanna make sure you're not putting it on the youth size because you don't wanna get in trouble right there. Always double check this too as well, because this is a trending phrase that came out and it's crushing it on Amazon. There's a lot of low BSRs here. Okay, just because I'm telling you to check this out and design for this, always wanna double check, making sure that you're safe, because this is your account at the end of the day, whatever you're using this for, if you're uploading a Merch by Amazon, Redbubble, Etsy, or whatever it is, okay? So always double check, but this is a popular saying right now and it's crushing it, okay? Over there on Amazon, you got BSRs as low as 9,000, 18,000, 20,000, 30,000. And of course, this was a phrase that was trending last week. So if you can definitely create something, this can be an evergreen phrase or a design on Amazon that you can crush, or just on any platform, okay? Print on demand is a great way for you and me. And if you want more information about print on demand, please check out my links in my description. I do have a Merch by Amazon course down there. And then I also have a private group down below. Okay, and then if you want to start publishing books on Amazon too as well, I have some content down there for you too as well to help you start publishing books on Amazon. And if you want more print on demand niche research ideas, check out this video next right here.